we're going to talk about this sump pump lid that we have here. This is specially designed for crawl spaces, and what it's for, it has an alarm on here. It has a corded alarm, and we're going to show you the alarm sounds over there. This alarm sits in this little pocket. There's this little pocket here. It's got these little probes here on the bottom. When water gets to here, then it'll sound the alarm and let the homeowner know whether they have a plumbing leak from a pipe down here, or if there's groundwater that comes in. The water's got to go through this little alarm pocket right here, down here at the bottom. It goes through there, and then it runs down into the floor drain, and the floor drain will let it drain away and get it out of there. But the alarm goes off and says, hey, you've got a problem down here, get somebody down here to take a look at it. It doesn't have to be groundwater. It could be plumbing. It could be something else going on that's in your house, the water heater, the condensation from your furnace. It could be anything, but this sump pump is great because it really helps take care of all of those problems that you may have going on in your crawl space and just not know. So many times we go into people's crawl spaces and they've had issues for years and they didn't know. But this alarm system is perfect for crawl spaces.